So now it's time to focus your camera. The camera will come standard with a 12mm lens. You can optionally purchase an 8 or a 16mm lens, depending on if you want a more wide or a more narrow point of view. Now it's time to focus your camera using the target guide that comes with your camera kit. This procedure is the same both with the Wi-Fi and the standard camera. To do this, you're going to use your target guide and you're going to need a small screwdriver. There's 4 small screws in the camera. You're going to loosen them up, and with the Wi-Fi camera, you're going to point the antennas down and you're going to slide the protective cover back, revealing the lens underneath. Now, referencing the screen, in my case, a computer screen or a TV screen, you're going to take the target guide and you're going to put it by your workpiece, and I'm going to turn the lens either clockwise or counterclockwise to make sure I get the most crisp image. So I'm going to go to the left, and that gets blurry, so I'm actually going to go to the right until my image is nice and clear, and now it is, and so we're good. So push the cover back, tighten the 4 screws, and with the Wi-Fi camera, put the antennas back up top, and now your camera is calibrated. Now that your camera is properly focused, if you have any additional questions or require any additional information, reference your owner's manual.